If you want to run a DC motor or lights for free at home, I advise you to throw away the 9-volt battery and use only your phone. We need a very basic phone like Nokia. We open the cover and remove the battery. This is the size and shape of the battery, which has a capacity of 3.7 volts. We need 2 wires, how and where, but preferably red and black. We prepare the iron and tin and weld the positive and negative poles. Now we bring the wires and connect the red wire to the positive and the black wire to the negative. Now the battery is ready. We install the battery in the phone. We bring a nail or a screwdriver and make a hole in the cover. Then we put the wires from the inside of the cover to the outside. Then we close the phone as it was the first time. Now press the power button to turn on the phone. Now we will try to operate the DC motor and lights using only the phone. So this is the motor. We connect the battery wires to it. As you can see, it is rotating well. Also, the lamp worked well using just the phone, without having to buy expensive batteries that run out of charge and get thrown away. If you like the video, support us by liking and subscribing to the channel.